Welcome to FormGent, the innovative AI-driven WordPress form builder that simplifies your workflow and makes form creation effortless. In this video, we will explore all the amazing features that FormGent offers. Form creation is often complicated and time-consuming, leading to low completion rates and lost opportunities. That's why FormGent was created, to make form building smarter, faster, and easier. Say goodbye to manual setup. With FormGent's AI-powered builder, just describe your needs, and our AI will generate a ready-to-use form, saving you time and effort. Need versatility? FormGent supports over 16 input types, from basic text fields to advanced options like GDPR compliance and digital signatures, perfect for any use case. Break down complex forms into manageable steps. Multi-step forms guide users through a streamlined process, improving engagement and completion rates. Want a more interactive approach? FormGent's conversational forms present one question at a time, creating an engaging and user-friendly experience. Build your forms smarter with conditional logic. Dynamically show or hide fields based on user inputs, customizing the experience for each user. Worried about lost responses? FormGent automatically saves incomplete data, so you never miss valuable insights. Track and optimize your forms with built-in analytics. Gain insights into user behavior and make data-driven improvements effortlessly. FormGent's real-time integration lets you sync submissions with CRMs or other platforms, automating workflows and saving time. Customize your forms effortlessly with our drag-and-drop editor. No coding required, just point, click, and create. Share your forms instantly with unique links to match your brand and easily distribute them across platforms. Keep your forms secure with built-in spam protection, including reCAPTCHA, HCAPTCHA, and honeypot fields, safeguarding your data and users. The journey continues with exciting features: quiz builder, advanced AI, form restriction, payment integration, form scheduling, custom code, and more to enhance your experience. Transform the way you build forms with FormGent. Start today and discover the smarter way to create forms. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.